Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Today, I'm super excited because we're making something absolutely delicious, perfect sweet potato fries. This recipe is so quick and easy, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. All right, let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need. 2 large sweet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, optional, a pinch of cayenne pepper for some extra kick. First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, grab your sweet potatoes and give them a good wash. Now you can peel them if you like, but I prefer to keep the skin on for that extra bit of crunch and nutrients. Next, cut your sweet potatoes into fries. Try to keep them as uniform as possible so they cook evenly. Once they're all cut up, throw them into a large mixing bowl. Now, drizzle your olive oil over the sweet potatoes. Toss them around to make sure they're all nice and coated. Then, add your paprika, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and if you're feeling adventurous, that pinch of cayenne pepper. Give everything a good mix until those fries are evenly seasoned. Alright, it's time to spread the fries out on a baking sheet. Make sure they're in a single layer and not overlapping. This will help them get nice and crispy. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 25-30 minutes. Halfway through, give them a quick flip to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. And voila! After about 30 minutes, you'll have perfectly crispy golden brown sweet potato fries. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and absolutely packed with flavor. Serve these up with your favorite dipping sauce, and you've got yourself a tasty treat that's perfect as a snack or a side dish. Personally, I love them with a bit of spicy mayo or even some classic ketchup. There you have it. Perfect sweet potato fries made in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking! Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.